Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos. And today I've got the Ninja Dual Zone air fryer out and I'm going to be doing Hunter's chicken with sweet potato, and we might also throw some corn in the cob in for good measure as well, depending on how we get to. So before I move in and show you the ingredients that we've got, make sure you head over to Ninja Foodie World, the Facebook page I run. Make sure you're hitting like and you're joining us, and you can obviously share all your ninja creations with me too. Really good for tips, hints and tricks as well. And obviously if you are new to the channel, make sure you are saying hi in the comments below, and obviously you are staying subscribed to the channel and hitting that bell for notifications of when I release new content. Right, let's move you in and let's get into this. So we have some rapeseed oil. This is just for coating the sweet potatoes and a little bit on the chicken before we cook it in the air fryer. We've got some barbecue sauce. This is homemade barbecue sauce. Check out the link just next to me now. This is how to make this barbecue sauce, and it's dead quick and easy, especially if you've got a Ninja Foodie with pressure cook function. We have some sweet potatoes that we're going to turn into some chips, some corn on the cob. This is a pre-cooked corn on the cob, which is really good for this kind of air fryer because it heats up really quickly. We've got some grated cheddar cheese, we've got some smoked streaky bacon, and we've got 2 chicken breasts. That's all we need to create this really great dish. So let me start prepping and show you what to do. The first thing we're going to do is peel our sweet potatoes. You don't have to peel them, you can leave the skin on if you like. I just like to have them peeled. So there we have the potatoes peeled, and all we're going to do is cut these up. Into long, so you can see I'm cutting them about 10 to 15 mil thick. The beauty of sweet potato, it does cook rather nicely in air fryers. And then all I'm going to do is go over with some rapeseed oil, about 2 tablespoons in there. I'm just going to coat this like so. And the chips are ready. Now let's move over to the chicken. I'm going to get the chicken breast. I'm going to place it on the board, and it's got the little mini fillet attached. And all I'm going to do is open this up nice and gently, butterfly this chicken open. I'm going to do the same with the other one. Butterfly open. Nice and simple. Next, I'm going to run and wash my hands, and then I'm going to put some barbecue sauce and some cheese on the inside of the chicken. Hands washed. Next, I'm going to put a spoon of barbecue sauce on. And I'm just going to spread this over. Like so. Then cheese. Again, I'm going to wrap these up. Just wrap the bacon round like so. I'm going to put them over here out of the way. Again, another quick tidy up, and then we're going to get the food into the Ninja Dual Zone air fryer. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out drawer 1 and drawer 2. And in drawer 2, I'm going to go in with the chips, and they're going to go back in. Then I'm going to put the chicken into drawer 1, so. Draw one in, and again raw chicken, so another quick wash of the hands. And then what we're going to do, we are going to switch this on and draw one with the chicken in. We're going to press air fry. I'm going to lower the temperature to 180 and time, let's see what it's on 20. I'm going to up that, okay, to 25 minutes. And over on this side with the sweet potatoes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press draw 2. I'm going to go to air fry. I'm going to leave it on 200 degrees and time, I'm going to up that to 25 minutes as well, and then we're going to press start. You'll see both draws, I've started counting down from 25 minutes. What we're going to do after 15 minutes, we're going to take the draw out with the chicken and we're going to baste it in some more of that lovely barbecue sauce. And we're going to do that a couple of times and also add some cheese right at the end on top. Just coming up to the 15-minute marker, so looking really nice. Just going to give them a little shake, making it back in, and then you'll see the chicken looking really good already, looking and feeling really good. So all I'm going to do with the chicken now is I'm going to brush some more of this barbecue sauce, and I have already taken some out to put in a little ramekin to serve with it to dip in, because obviously I don't want to be dipping this brush back in and out when dealing with not fully cooked chicken, so don't panic about that. So that's one. Just going to pull the drawer out just to get that back edge. And two, so you see they're nicely coated, so they're going to go back in the air fryer again now. Right, just coming up to the 5 minutes left mark, let's have a look. Wow, the chips are looking really nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop the corn on the cob in there with the chips as well. And the chicken, wow, again looking really good. So I'm going to quickly brush just a little bit more sauce on the top, and then I'm going to put some cheese on, and then a bit of cheese, like so, and then that's going to go back in. So for the last 5 minutes, and then these should be perfect. And we're going to take the temperature of the inside of the chicken as well, just to be on the safe side. So the chicken is just ended, and we've got a few seconds just on the chips. There we go. So let's have a look. Chips, corn on the cob looking great, and the Hunter's chicken as well looking fabulous. Right, let's get these plated up. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the Hunter's chicken out, and we are just going to probe it just to make sure that it's up to temperature in the centre. So I'm going to choose the thickest piece into the thickest part. So I'm just going to cut this at an angle. And it looks absolutely fantastic inside. Really hot, cheese melting in the middle. So let's get this plated up. And then next, we've got the corn on the cob. It is really hot, and we're going to get some of these beautiful fries out, these sweet potato fries. And again, sweet potato, a really healthy potato to eat. So it does kind of off balance this dish overall, with it being quite a... So there we have the Hunter's chicken, tomato sauce, sweet potato fries, fresh barbecue sauce and a corn on the cob. Right, let's have a taste. Right everyone, let's put a bit of salt on top of the sweet potato fries. Let's have a taste. Dip it in that sauce. I love sweet potato. And then let's have a taste of this chicken. Wow. Cheesy, barbecuey, hot, well cooked. It's got bacon. What more could you want? That 30 minutes tops in the air fryer, dual zone. Let me know in the comments below if you've made this yourself or if you're going to attempt to make this as well. Thanks for watching everyone. Make sure you do head over to Ninja Foodie World, the Facebook page, and obviously you leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and you're subscribing to the channel. Hit me up in the comments with dishes that you'd like me to cook in here for you. That'd be great. So until next time, thanks a lot and I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.